Welcome to my channel. Today's video I want to show you my January box from Boxycharm. The regular box is $25 a month, but I am subscribed to the premium box, which is $35 a month, so I expect more retail value than the regular box. So let's get right to it. I haven't opened it. Well, I cut the box, but I haven't really looked inside or anything, so it's a surprise. I love doing it like that, so you'll see my first impression. And so let's open it up and let's see what is inside. So you see I do get the premium box because it says it there, and this is what we have inside. It does come with a card, always does, and it gives us the retail value, which I appreciate. And at the end I'm gonna add up all the retail values to see what value we got in our box. So the theme this month is Fresh Start. There are 6 full-size items in here. I got the version, it just says C, bunch of numbers, C210-1206-PM. I don't know, they're doing it differently. So let's start. Ooh, something I see here. I ordered something similar from another brand from Ulta recently, so I'm gonna get it this week. This is a silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. What I didn't order this exactly, but I did order a makeup remover cloth in pink. So yeah, this is the first item I got out of the box. This is $30. It's from PMD, a little bit pricey, but it says it's silver infused microfiber, antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. I'm definitely gonna keep this because I like to do that. I like to use these type of cloths for either removing my makeup in the bathroom, or when I do my videos, for when I do my swatching and all that. It says get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Interesting. I never heard of silver infused makeup remover cloths, but here it is, and it comes in with its own pouch. $30. Next item. I'm gonna go now in the order of the card because coincidentally this is the last item in the card, and it was the first one I picked out. Okay, the first one is from brand Summer Fridays is a Jet Lat mask. Retail value is $48. Okay, here it is. This is what it is. It says it's a life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. It does come with a little pamphlet inside, which gives you more information in different languages. But on the box it says, we love this as an overnight mask and use it as a hydrating primer under makeup too. It's cruelty-free, artificial fragrance-free, and sulfur-free. Interesting. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if I'm going to keep this because I do have a lot of creams and skincare right now, so I'm going to put it aside. And if anything that I don't use in this box, I'm going to put it aside for a giveaway that I'm currently doing. Maybe by the time you guys see this video, the giveaway is done. But regardless, if I don't keep this, you're going to see it in I'm going to put it in the giveaway box. So let's put this aside. Next item is from Ofra Cosmetics. Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Retail value is $39. I do like Ofra Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. It says manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter. All of the lights, this lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. So this is what it looks like. It is very pretty. It has no mirror, and these are the shades. I'm gonna keep the case on in case I decide to give it away. It does have in the middle, has a highlighter which is in 4 different shades. See if the light lets you see it. The highlighter, and it has pretty shades. But I already have a palette by Ofra. I don't want to swatch or touch it just in case, because then if I won't be able to give it out to you guys if I touched it. Let's go now to the next item in this box, and it's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filters Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This I'm really excited to try. The retail value is $32. This is what it looks like. It's in the shade Lavender. Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that wouldn't flash back, so a pro filter was worn in 8 versatile shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It works all day to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. It is in the shade Lavender. I don't know how that's gonna work on my skin. What do you guys think? I never used lavender powder. Let me open it up and see what it looks. It's a beautiful packaging. Oh, it's the cover and it says FB for Fenty Beauty. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. This is the packaging. It is very pretty. That I gotta say. And it's a shade Lavender. I think it's pretty. It's okay because it is lavender, but it's not like purple lavender. It's like very light. This time I'm gonna try out. So I'll keep this one. So it's very blurry. It does have like a slight fragrance to it, so you see it doesn't come out as purple, so that's okay. So yeah, this is nice. Okay, next thing is from Run Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. This is what it looks like. Retail value is $32. It says it's a clean jelly oil cleanser clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. The 100% naturally derived formula shifts 3 times while you cleanse, starting as a jelly and shifting to an oil and then milk to gently melt away dirt, makeup, and pollution for a soft, clean finish. This is really interesting. I want to try this out for sure. Is it good for dry skin though? It doesn't say. It has sunflower seed extract, which protects skin's natural moisture barrier and prevents continued dryness, so that'll be good for my skin. And the meadow foam seed oil helps replenish and restore the skin's barrier with essential fatty acids omega-3 and 6. This is really nice. I wonder if it smells like anything. What's the shelf life? 9 months. I'm not too concerned about the ingredients in a cleanser unless it has like really rough ingredients. But the cleanser, you only have it on for like a few seconds anyways. So it's like a jelly. And I'm gonna see if it's true what they say. It turns it into an oil and then like it disappears. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like it doesn't say it has, but it smells a little bit like almonds. I don't know, it has really a nice fragrance, but it's not overpowering at all. I like this. I really like. Okay, next item, last item here in the box is from Fenty Beauty again. This looks like a lipstick. No, it's a mascara. Full frontal volume lift and curl mascara. I already have a Fenty mascara, or had. I think I got rid of it because I didn't like it. So let me see if it's the same. Yeah, I already have this mascara. I might still have it. No, I don't have it. I gave it away. I got rid of it because it wasn't necessarily bad. It wasn't not good for me. So I'm definitely gonna put this in a giveaway. Let me show you. Beautiful packaging. It is very pretty. If you haven't seen this mascara, and it was a lot of people were talking about it, and I went to buy it, but it wasn't really working for me. But it might work for you or for whoever gets it in the giveaway. So yeah, so we got a bunch of stuff. Let me add the retail value real quick and let you know how much was the total. So the retail value is $205. Now the retail value is there because I paid $35 for this box and I got $205 worth of things. So I do get what I paid, much more than what I paid for. But to be completely honest, like I always am, I'm not really too thrilled about the items I got in this box. First, the Fenty Beauty mascara, I already owned it once and I didn't like it. The powder is nice. The powder, I don't know the powder is gonna work on my skin, but I know the packaging is really pretty. I like the packaging. The Ren Perfect Canvas Gel Cleanser looks really interesting. I'm gonna use it and I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. It's gonna fall into my favorites video, or it might not. I'll let you guys know how that goes. The Summer Fridays Gel Like Mask, I'm not really too thrilled about this because I have so many, you know, I have my own skincare ready that I enjoy. So this is gonna go for a giveaway. This is gonna go for a giveaway. The palette most likely is gonna go for a giveaway. I'm not sure, but I already have an Ofra palette, and it's not that it's bad. It's just that I have so many palettes that I prefer that like this one doesn't like really thrill me. So I'll give it to somebody that is gonna benefit more than I will. And I do like the makeup remover, and I don't know anything about that silver infused thing, but I am definitely gonna try it out. It's $30. I think it's a little bit pricey for what it is, but I want to try it out and see if it's any good on my skin. So this is my box for January 2021. I'd like to know what you guys think, because I always like to hear from you. If you already subscribed to Boxycharm, I would love to know what you guys think, what you guys got in your box. I would like also to know what you thought about these items. If you've used any of these items before, please let me know your opinion and what you thought of them. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, I'm gonna leave my link down below. It's an affiliate link. I'm gonna leave it down below in the description box so you guys could check that out, so you have a discount on your first box. So yeah, I would like to know any questions or comments. Please leave them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and clicking on the bell to get notified of future videos. I want to thank you for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.